In today's video, I'm going to teach you reservation on booking.com without a credit card. We'll walk through a simple search and booking flow, and I'll point out exactly where you can confirm that no payment details are required. Start by opening your browser and going to booking.com. On the home page, you'll see the main search box. Type the location you want to visit. This can be a city, a region, or a specific area. Choosing a precise location helps the site show more accurate results nearby. Next, set your dates. Click the check-in field to open the calendar, pick your arrival day, then select your checkout day. Accurate dates matter because availability and prices change from day to day. Now choose how many people are traveling. Open the guest selector to set the number of adults and children, and adjust the number of rooms if you need more than one. Getting this right ensures you only see rooms that fit your group. When everything looks good, click Search. Booking.com will load available properties that match your criteria. Browse the results and select a hotel you like, then click See Availability. This takes you to the property page where you can review room types, amenities, and policies. If you see a Genius discount on the room you want, click the option to reserve with the Genius rate. You may need to be signed into your account to access that discount, and the price reduction should appear before you proceed. Continue to the booking form and enter your details. Provide the guest name exactly as it appears on official ID, along with a reliable email address and phone number so the property can reach you about check-in. Take a moment to confirm your arrival time if that field appears. Here's the key part. Look for the note that says no payment details are required. You should also see a message explaining that payment will be handled by the property, which means you don't need to enter any card information for this reservation. Be sure to review the cancellation and prepayment policy on this page so you know whether the booking is free to cancel and when any charges might apply. Once everything is correct, click Complete Booking. That's it. Your reservation is confirmed without entering credit card information. Keep the confirmation number handy, and you're all set for your stay. If you're arriving late, it's a good idea to let the property know so your room is held, especially for pay at the property bookings. Enjoy your trip.